Where does the name for Cwm come from? So today I'm in a very small village in Denbighshire, just south of Denbighshire, and it's called Cwm. So Cwm means valley. Anyway, diolch. No, I'm only joking. I do have a bit more to say about it. In Welsh, there's two common words for valley. We have a dyffryn and a cwm. Now, the difference between them is that a dyffryn tends to have a large, flat bottom and is a little bit more complex than a cwm, and a cwm tends to have steep sides around the side of it. So that's why it's Dyffryn Conwy, not Cwm Conwy. So the word cwm is quite interesting where it comes from. It is related to the word coombe in English, but nobody's really sure who borrowed it from who, or if they even borrowed it from each other at all, or just come from the same Proto-Indo-European root. So it literally means valley. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explore every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.